Hi, my name is Charles Hazelton. I'm the patient care manager here at Age Rejuvenation. Since working here, I've seen firsthand how much our services have changed patients' lives, whether it be patients that sign up with us for hormone therapy, weight loss, sexual health services. When I first started here, I was a patient care coordinator. So I used to meet with these patients, whether it be 3 months or 6 months after starting services with us. And I would see firsthand just how much our services have improved patients' everyday lives. They no longer had the libido or the passion in the bedroom. Maybe they just no longer had energy or motivation to go out and get about their day. After starting, they just really feel like it's a life change. It's been a night and day difference. I made sure that I get my family in the doors because I really believe in our services. I have my mom and dad doing the pellet therapy, and since starting pellet therapy, they truly feel like they're young again. Like they have the energy and the youthful appearance of when they were in their 30s. They're in their mid 50s now. Aside from just my immediate parents, I speak very highly about all the services we do because I've seen firsthand how great they are. So I put my aunt, my uncle, tons of friends. Every time I talk about what we do here at Age Rejuvenation, people are very interested, and they just really need that extra push or a little bit of information about what we do, so they have the motivation to come in office and actually get started to find out more.